Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to add a forum to your Wings website. A forum is a great way to build a community and engage with your visitors. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your Wings account and open your website and a Wings Studio. Now, if you don't have a website yet, just need to create the one by selecting a template that suits your needs. Now here to add a forum, we'll need to install the Wings Forum app. Here on Wings Studio, you just have to go to the left sidebar, and then from here go to App Market, and then here go to this App Market section, and then it will open up this page, and then go to the search box and type here Wings Forum. Press enter, and then you will find the tool right here, or the app. So basically, you just have to click on this add to site button. So it will automatically add to your website, and this will add it to your site, and a new forum page will be created automatically. Now you can just select here if you want list, cards, or a social feed. In this sample, I'm going to select this list and then click on this add button right here at the bottom right. Now adding this Wings forum, you just have to wait for a few seconds. Once done, as you can see here, the forum is now added. Now let's customize the forum to match your website design. If you're going to click on the forum, then you will find here on the right sidebar, you'll see here some options to basically customize it, change the layout, colors, fonts, and more. And you can also customize the forum to fit the look and feel of your site. If you go here on the settings, once you click on this forum, then click on this three dots, we have some options. And also here on settings, here you can basically select either you want to change the layout, display, or the design. Now to organize your forum, you can basically set up the categories. You can click on manage categories right here in the forum settings. So it will help users find relevant discussions easily. And then from here, you'll now be directly go to your Wings dashboard. Now under category section, you'll find this one. Now you can click on add category at the top. And then from here, you can basically name them and arrange them in the order you prefer. And you can also add subcategories for more specific topic. Now let's configure the forum settings. Again, go back to settings, and here on the forum menu, you can manage permissions, control who can post and comment, and set moderation rules. So to customize the settings, you can ensure your forum runs smoothly and stay organized. Now to maintain a healthy forum environment, it's a good idea to add some members or moderators. Moderators can help manage discussion, approve posts, and ensure community guidelines are followed. Now let's go to the moderator section or member section. Now here on your category section on your dashboard here, if you're going to click on edit, and then here basically you will find that member settings. So click on the edit button right from here, and then scroll down until you find this section here. As you can see, selected members, and then you can add members. So you can select users from your member list and assign them as moderators. Now invite your website visitors to join the forum. You can do this by sending email invitations or promoting the forum on your site and social media. Encourage users to register and participate in discussions. Start some discussions to get new forum going. To do that, go to the post section right here on the left sidebar, and then click on the create new post at the top right to create a topic. Write a compelling title and content, then post it in the relevant category. Engage with users by responding to their comments and encouraging more participation. Manage and moderate the forum regularly to keep it active and respectful. Approve new posts, respond to queries, and enforce community guidelines. So regular moderation helps maintain a positive and engaging forum environment. And that's it. You've successfully added a forum to your Wings website. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave comments below, and subscribe for more web designs, tips, and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.